Okay, go ahead.
Oh, almost. Almost. Hold on. Open your mouth. You have to open your mouth, Max, like this. Ah, okay. Open your mouth. Open. Ah. Okay.
Your mom's a horrible shot.
Can you open your mouth? Well, he closes his mouth. Open your mouth.
Yeah,
Ah.
I don't see him closing his mouth. I see you bouncing it off his nose.
Open your mouth, Max. Max. Look at Mama. Open.
You hit his nose every time.
Open your mouth. Hold on, Max.
Oh, that was horrible.
This is so funny. I can't stop laughing. Hey, come on. Open.
Jesus. Are you serious? Are you kidding me?
It's so funny. You don't understand.
No, I understand it's funny. I'm laughing.
Open your mouth.
Your son would starve if you had to feed him this way. If you were a mama bird, he'd be dead.
Oh, it went in. It came out. Ready? Open your mouth. Open.
He's tired of trying.
Oh my God.
He doesn't.
Try.